Sysway unboxing. Right here, boys, we got Sysway lithium ion battery, 105 amp hour for the old club car here. We actually have already a lithium in this unit. We've run it for a year from a different company. We're trying Sysway this year. I got it all right here. Got the charger, plugging station, LCD smart screen. Let's get to it. All right, so as I said before, we did this last year. I actually have a video up of this lithium battery. We took the lead acids out, so if you want to go back to that one, you can. Lead acids come out. This one goes in there. It barely fits, but it does in a club car. I know there's different ways to do this, I'm sure, but this is what we had to work with. Really do a lot better than the old lead acids. Shut her down. All right, now the hard part. It's still are heavy and I'm getting old. Let's compare the two. They are pretty much identical. Looks like the whole pattern might be just a little bit different there on the frame. That's okay. This one's got a Bluetooth antenna. This one's Bluetooth capable, I believe. There's no antenna. Push button. I noticed that the push button's not lit up there. Everything there looks pretty good. So let's give her a try. So I'm gonna pull the charger out now, which is fairly the same, it looks like. But I'm gonna put it all in there and make it like it's supposed to be. So there's the old charger, and here's the Sysway charger. It has the 48 volt kind of style plug. It comes with the plug already. The Sysway was a little different. It comes with a different plug. But anyway, then it comes with a charging light also. Green's done and red is charging. And of course, comes with the fancy LED box. It sure feels like they weigh the same. Wow. Try to get the holes kind of lined up. That'll work. Base is just a slightly different. Got the charger down in there. I can't believe how far the technology has come with lithium batteries, so it's pretty impressive. They very well beat the old lead acids, and they last a lot longer. The cool thing about these is you can, it's got a cycle count on the computer, so you can tell how many charges it's had in its life. Little box adapter here, kind of cover the positive and negatives. Just like that. Okay, so now the controller, that's the communication cable. So that goes to the comm side. Plug that in there, and then we got one more to plug in. has this. I'm gonna probably temporarily mount this on the dash right now. I need a cord, that's for sure. And that goes into what is called the LCD plug on the battery. So right here we have the LCD that goes to your monitor that's gonna be on the dash. And then this is your comm cable, communication cable for the battery charger, right down there. And then this is that light for your charging. You can put that on the dash or wherever. I'm not gonna hook that up yet. I'm just gonna lay it down here. I do have the battery 100% charged. I charged it last night before I even put it in the cart here. So I'm gonna hook this up. Okay, we got the LCD up and running. Touch screen. Took that nasty protective cover off. I didn't screw this down because we're gonna try this out and then we'll hook the other one back up. And this one's gonna be for another cart that I don't have right now. But it does pretty much the same thing the other monitor did. We got 53 volts. Let's roll with it. The other thing is, here's the charging port. I didn't put it in, but I'll show it to you here. Comes with a heavy duty charging cable. 120 volt, plugs in that way. And it comes with this. This other battery didn't come with this. I had to buy a separate plug. It was just a 110 outlet basically. But this one, I like this one, definitely. Instructions. One good thing is it did come with all these instructions and they are very legit. I will say that. So if your instruction guy or gal wants to read all this, there it is. Does have like a quick start. What's all in the kit. Very put together. Not an instruction type of person. The app you can download to do the monitoring of the battery is really cool. Okay, we've got the seat on. Moment of truth. Let's see if we got sparks. No sparks. That's good. The go button here. Oh yeah. We got juice. Wow, there it is. Jesus smoking. Freaking awesome. Very comparable. Don't even notice difference. It takes off. It's definitely a lot of power delivered. Freaking crazy. Woo! This is nuts. Great, awesome, love it. Still at 98 after all that. Just listen to it. That's pretty cool. See how it does on slopes. I'm afraid I'm gonna upset this thing. Wow. Mushroom. Oh, darn it. On it. This is the slope right there. Ooh, she's spinning. We'll get a better hookup. All right. There we go. We got the wheels off the ground. Cruising along here, going for a few miles. On a hill now. On top of the hill, 2 miles away. And all that other jacking around we did, 90%. once you get to 20%, that's what you get. There we're at 18. Full bore, you got about 20-some minutes left, it looks like. Well, we quit at 15%. I don't think you should go any lower than 15 because it's hard on those batteries. So stop it at 20 when it turns red, more than likely. 15 if you got to get home. Hope you guys like this. I'll hopefully have a few more reviews on these batteries because I got a couple more coming. Thanks for watching.